जय हिंद यार बेली मित्रों, मैं कैप्टन एनजे सिंह एक बार फिर आपसे जुड़ा हूँ। इस वीडियो में आज हम उस शख्स के बारे में बात करेंगे या उस पोजीशन के बारे में बात करेंगे जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और कॉकपिट में है, और वो पोजीशन है को पायलट की। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि को पायलट फ्रॉम रिलीज टिल ही बिकम्स अ कैप्टन, हाउ हिज बिहेवियर चेंजेस, एंड before I proceed further, I want to make it a statement that please take it in the lighter way, please take it in the correct way, because it's more of a fun video than to be very serious about it. There are 4 stages to his journey from release to becoming captain. The first stage is from release to 500 hours. This is the stage when he's like a toddler. He's looking for things, he's looking for gen, he wants a debrief, he wants some information from the captain or whosoever he come across. He will reach probably 15 minutes before the captain reaches in dispatch. He will go through all the NOTAMs. He'll be well aware of the place we are going to, from where we are going, and everything en route. So this is a stage of gathering information. During this stage, if at high speed you tell him gear down, so he will call out check speed, and after that probably he will put the gear down irrespective of the speed. If he's a smart first officer, or in case he is at the fag end of his first stage, then probably he will know that not to put the gear down, so he will start giving indication like and start looking towards captain that what to do next. Basically he needs like a toddler help. Then comes the second stage. The second stage is when he has 500 hours till reaches about close to 1500 hours. Now this is the stage which is like a teenager. That means full of energy. He has some knowledge, may not be the complete knowledge. He is looking for some gen, and at times interested in the debriefs. This is that stage. In case you tell him at high speed, get down, so he will call out speed check, and then he will look at you and tell you, captain, check your speed. The next stage is stage 3, which is from 1500 hours to 2500 hours. This is a stage when he is like an adult, that is somewhat experienced. He would have already seen about 5 to 6 IRPPCs. He would have seen some difficult moments in the cockpit. He would have probably encountered weather, and probably he will be well aware of things which is happening around. So he's definitely an asset in the cockpit. But at the same time, some of the first officer who are on the overconfident types may become little liability in the cockpit, and you have to watch out for them. This is a stage. In case at high speed you tell him gear down, he will say, captain, check speed, and then wait for the next instructions. Last stage, the fourth stage, is from 2500 till first officer becomes a captain. Now this is the stage when he is I would rather use the word pre-captaincy stage, when he always thinks that the guy sitting on the left, whatever he can do, so can I. Why I'm not sitting on the left? Because he would have gone through 6-7 IRPPCs. He would have gone through fair amount of experience. So this is the time when you tell him gear down, his probably response would be negative, captain, check your speed. So there would be a distinct change. Secondly, if ATC gives some instructions, and as captain you think there is something wrong in the instruction, either ATC has given a wrong instruction or they think there is something which needs to be clarified. So those 2-3 seconds when you are not actually acting upon the ATC instruction, by this time he will start getting restless, and probably his hands will start going towards the control switches, that is FCU, and probably he wants to take over controls. So this is the a stage where probably he thinks that he's already a captain, just a tappa is required. So this continues till he becomes captain, and after becoming captain, probably a lot of new horizons open up, lot of his eyes open up, that so many things which goes on other than flying, other than aviation, pure flying, which a captain has to go through for a safe conduct of a flight. So I hope you like this video. Very soon I'm going to come up with more videos, some serious and some not so serious. So जुड़े रहिए. Till then, जय हिंद.